Hello and welcome at Escape Trailer. My name is Samuel. Today is another inventory update, and this is twofold. On one side, we're looking at this week. There will be no inventory trailer this coming week, but there will be a number of inventory trailers coming up the following week. The reason being is we have a week where we have a number of customers that are picking up, and we have to focus on those, or custom trailers. So we want to get those out of the door first, and then the week after we'll be able to present a couple of trailers for you. Second part here is now with us being able to build some trailers earlier, and you as a customer, you have configured your trailers early. Many of you have. We are now in a new phase where we are able to pull customers forward, which means that we will phase out the inventory products. We still have a number of inventory trailers that are sort of half finished, and we want to finish them up. And we will go through that in the next couple of weeks to release those. But more than likely, we will phase out the inventory trailers and only build inventory trailer if you really, if there's an emergency, we have to fill a slot and we cannot pull anyone forward. So just a little heads up on that one. Stay tuned. And we will reach out again in 1 week from now. Escape Trailer is built for you.